So here's our beautiful cricket. She's about 1.5 years old and she weighs 12 pounds. And she looks like a purebred apricot poodle to me. She came in with Scout. As owner surrenders, I don't know how they're related. Scout could be her baby, I don't know. But she says, I'm very sweet. She's very sweet. It's just taken her a minute to get used to being in a shelter environment. Now, I will say, I don't know exactly what happened with their situation as far as her owners. She did not come in great shape. She had to be totally shaved down. But look how beautiful she is. She's got that curly Frenchy poodle looking hair. She's a little bit shy, so it's going to take her a little minute to warm up. But you know, poodles are sensitive. And she says, I want to go to sleep. What, baby? You want to get in Lisa's lap? Don't be too scared. We're not gonna do anything. Yeah. She's such a cute angel. Poor little girl. So we don't know what happened, her circumstances for being surrendered, but we're happy that they're both here with us, and we're gonna get them into the best homes and get all their treatments done and get her spay surgery done. See, she gets a little stiff and just a little scared. Yeah, I would suggest probably maybe the first couple of weeks, I would put her in a little halter and a leash, and make sure she's bonded to you, especially out in the yard, because she may get scared and figure out a way to get out, and we don't want that to happen. I always let my fosters get bonded to me, so I know if I get down on my knees and say, come back, they will. Most of the time they will. So this is our cricket. And even though she had a very sad story, the next chapter is going to be super happy. It's a super cute little poodle. And you know, poodles get very attached, and I feel bad for owner-surrendered poodles because most of them kind of freak out for a little bit. See, because that was the only home I ever knew. She was probably purchased as a puppy or, you know, from a backyard breeder down there. And apparently they didn't know that she had to be groomed. She's very relaxed now up here with Lisa, though. She's getting a little relaxed. You see her little paws a little curled. She says, I'm a little nervous, but I think I'm going to be okay. I told her I thought she was going to live. She wasn't going to die from getting her pictures taken. No, she wasn't. You my good girl. She's a little cricket, and she's available through Tracy's Paws. 1.5 years old and 12 pounds. Super cute, super sweet.